Good afternoon, it's James the Weatherman here. How is everybody doing today? Man, if it's not winter, there's severe weather, there's, you name it, there's something going on in the United States. Just say hi in the chat. I'll say hi back to you guys. I hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody had a good Valentine's day. Hey, Big Bubba. Hey, Josiah. Hey, Mary Lou. Hey, Susie. Hey, Andrew. Hey, April. Thank you, Susie. I hope you guys are doing well. Make sure you guys share this out. And we're going to get right into things. If I see your name while I move along my stream. There has been a tornado watch issued. This is the 7th tornado watch this year. And this watch was issued at 11:55 a.m. National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center has issued a tornado watch for portions of southeast Alabama, Florida Panhandle, southwest Georgia, and coastal waters. Effective this Monday morning and evening from 11:55 a.m. until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Primary threats include few tornadoes likely with a couple intense tornadoes possible, scattered damaging winds and isolated significant gusts to 80 miles per hour, and isolated large hail events to 1.5 inches in diameter possible. Supercells are expected to spread inland within a quasi-linear band of a thunderstorm that should sweep eastward this afternoon. This tornado watch area is approximately along and 55 statute miles north and south of the line from 15 miles west of Crestview, Florida to 30 miles northeast of Tallahassee, Florida. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch areas. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. I'll just start telling you at the bottom of the screen. You're not going to see it anywhere on YouTube. This updates every 5 seconds. At the bottom of the screen, it updates. It says watches, warnings, things you need to know about severe weather. So currently it is saying about the tornado watch, there is no severe thunderstorm warnings or watches out or tornado warnings out right now. And yes, there's a winter storm. That's the Weather Channel that names the winter storms. I follow National Weather Service, so we don't have names for them. That's kind of something else somebody else does. But we are going to be looking into this severe weather. Yes, as you can see, as I zoom out, you can see that there's quite a few. Well, the snowstorm is moving to the northeast, and there's quite a few reports of snow, anywhere from 5, 8. But you know me, James the Weatherman usually covers severe weather. There was a couple messages that I received. It was a couple weeks. I think it was last week, if I'm not mistaken. Why didn't I go live on the other tornado watches earlier? So this week, or this past tornado watch that was in Florida, there was actually two. A tornado watch for Orlando, and then there was one for the South. Okay, I was fully aware of the tornado watch, and I was looking at models, looking at satellite data, and I just knew, my gut feeling knew that there wasn't going to be a threat to anyone. And in my gut feeling was right because there was no tornadoes. Yeah, there was a strong winds, I think, south of Orlando, but there was no tornado. So my gut feeling told me that there was not going to be a tornado after I studied and looked at the models and looked at all that fun stuff that I do before I start streaming. Um, Today, why did I go live? Oh, look, there's a severe thunderstorm warning. Why did I go live today? I have that feeling after I've looked at some models and current satellite data right now. I see several waterspouts likely occurring out in the Gulf Coast, and I can see we might see a few tornadoes inland. This severe thunderstorm warning for Walton County in the Panhandle of Florida. This is out of Tallahassee. At 12:53, a severe thunderstorm were located along a line extending from near Baker to 15 miles south of Mary Esther, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. So I don't know if this is quite updating. No, this isn't updating. So is this radar site still down? Does anybody know if the Tallahassee radar site's still down? Seems like it's not working. No, it's up. I think. It's still down? Oh. Okay, then we will have to use the one out of Alabama. There's tornado possible on. We can look at the rotation right now. Man, this is. So that's why I went live today, because I have a feeling there's going to be a tornado today. After studying all the models and continuing to watch satellite.
JPR donated $3. How large of hail you think I can put it in my butt?
Okay, I'm not. Please don't start with this. We're trying to be serious. Thank you, JPR, for the $3. I appreciate it. But we're looking at this storm that's south of Crestview, south of I-10. 12:55, severe thunderstorm were located along a line extending from 4 miles south of Baker to Mary Esther to 28 miles south of Destin, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted: Wright, Fort Walton Beach, Crestview, Niceville, Destin, Elgin Air Force Base, Valparaiso, Mary Esther, Ocean City, Lake Lorraine, Baker, Shalmire, Laurel Hill, and Cinco Bayo. Tornado is possible, inch-size hail, and wind 60 mile per hour. As we can see, just weather. Is it working on radar scope? That really sucks. Yeah, it looks like it's working on GR2 as well. We have a couple spotters out there right now. Huh. Yeah, it's working on GR2 as well. Alright, so WSV3 currently it's not working. So we're going to have to use a different radar site. This current radar site that we're using is out of Alabama. We can try to... no, we can't see. But I do want to pull up something. Because I do want to pull up something. This is what I've been watching for the past couple hours. I've been keeping an eye. I look at things off of satellite to kind of, I wouldn't say guesstimate, but where do I think the tornadoes are likely to happen. Then I go look at models and see if the models and the satellites are kind of coming together. But I've been watching, it doesn't go all the way as far back as I've been watching. But from this point, this is this afternoon, or around 10-ish. These convection, you could see that these were growing in height. You know, when storms are very tall, they produce large hail. But I was kind of watching this line. This is what I've been watching. How is this line? Is it going to stay? Is it going to be isolated? Is it just going to be a regular squall line? Is it going to stay away from the northern part of the convection? And if so, you can kind of see this line's breaking apart and it's pulling energy into this convection as that line, as you notice, it kind of disappears. So, as of right now, the severe weather or severe thunderstorm warning, this is it. This is likely producing a water spout. Likely. Right? Let's pull... So if you're anywhere from Crestview to the Phoenix Springs, and you happen to be out, I would get to a safe place. Even Freeport, if you're close to the water, I would definitely seek, get off the water. But Pensacola's got something to the south of it as well. Alright, I'm gonna pull back up chat. This is Florida, near Pensacola, all the way over from I-10 from Pensacola all the way over to right now it would be Bonifay. I would keep an eye out. We are watching these two storms. Unfortunately, WSV3 is, I'm going to have to switch over to a different program. All tornado warnings, tornado watch, severe thunderstorm watches, severe thunderstorm warnings are scrolling at the bottom of the screen. They are updated. So if I miss your area, and you see your location on there, either seek shelter, get to a safe place, if I haven't covered it. Right now, we're not looking at too much. I have a feeling GR2 is behind 2. Let me look at satellite. Let's see, why is this? Yeah, that's right. That's right. I don't know why. No, that isn't right. This is the right. Near Crestview, Milligan, you have a storm going over you currently. No, this is very, very high up. This is like um, 8,672 feet up. This is really high up. Unfortunately, I don't see that the Tallahassee radar um, is working. We might have a little bit of rotation here, but again, this is 7,300 feet up, 6,800 feet up. Hey Kevin, if I haven't said hey to you, I apologize. Just type something, I'll say. Mind blown, hello. JPR, hello. Please don't post tornado. There is no tornado warnings as of right now. I do need to pull up the National Weather Service chat. I don't even know if I remember my login. Who is this issued by? Mobile. One sec. And Tallahassee. So we have a strong thunderstorm. Strong thunderstorms will affect the following counties: northern Butler, northwestern Krishna, north central Kunku counties until 1:45. How's everybody's day? Um, well, you would have to do the bot monitor, just weather. I'll talk to you about it after stream. Do I think there could be a severe weather outbreak today? Yeah, I honestly, I do believe that there's gonna be a severe weather outbreak today. Now, a tornado outbreak, no. But I do believe that there's gonna be more than 10 events of severe weather. And this is likely gonna move off to the east northeast and affects southern Georgia going into the Carolinas. We're going to be kind of watching the oops. I'll be watching. I enjoy this new update for WSV3. I really do. Just gonna take a moment to. So all this is ice. Nashville going Bowling Green, Somerset, all the way up to Cincinnati. And then you got snow on this side. This is what we're watching. This is going to be moving east northeast. So, beautiful weather event. I can put I'll put the donations through super YouTube stuff, members and donations. I'll keep that up on screen as you can see. Yeah, my WSV3 I think ends in a couple months. What radar am I using? Like radar site or hey Stacy. Um, well, I'm using the Alabama radar, unfortunately, because the Tallahassee is down. So we're looking at about 6,000 feet up. But if you're anywhere on I-10 from Caryville to just east of Crestview, you have some severe weather. Right now, wind. So if you have any high-profile vehicles, or you know anybody that's traveling on I-10, give them a ring and let them know that they're going to be running into possibly some hail and some strong winds. So high-profile vehicles they do not like strong winds. What's everybody's plan for the week? Yeah, 100%. 100% water spouts are occurring. We could see that on satellite. So when a radar site goes down and we have to go look at a different radar site, right? Sometimes it's just best to go look at satellite. Just look at the satellite because um, different areas. The prime example, right? When that hurricane hit Lake Charles and this radar was down, uh, most of my lookings of this was on satellite. You know, we haven't been above zero in like 10 days where I live. Issued a marine warning. I'm hoping anybody that's out there is not on the water. If they are, I suggest coming in. You got 50s, you got 19. Yesterday was probably, yesterday early morning, Saturday late night was probably the worst. Not gonna lie. Just weather. It's Tallahassee radar is not up on GR, well, GR2. I can look at GR3. What, are you looking at GR3? I almost turned off my computer. Well, currently we're looking at the Panhandle of Florida with possibility of tornadoes. Hello, Layla. Oh yeah, GR3 is working, but not GR2. That's lovely. You guys still hear me? 1 second. Yeah, this is Gibson Ridge 3. I don't use this one very often, but we have rotation here. Is south of near I-10, south of Crestview. Let me go back to chat because thank you guys for sharing this out. It means a lot to me. Um, can you guys see? Yeah, you guys can see. Uh, 117. 2 minutes ago, a severe thunderstorm were located along a line extended from Laurel Hill to 3 miles north of Niceville to 17 miles south of Destin, moving east at 50 miles per hour. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Tornado is still possible in this storm, and if you look, um, you can see a little bit of rotation here. Currently, we are on the Tallahassee radar. It looks like it's still, you see in the corner retrying. Just weather, are you getting the same issue? The good thing about this GR3 is rainfall amounts. But I think this is let's check radar scope. Yeah, radar scope's not even updated. So Tallahassee radar was hit by strong winds. There was uh, there was a tornado that hit that airport, and strong winds knocked some. I don't know what it did to the radar, but I'm assuming it did some issues technically with like, because I don't think it was destroyed. Hi, Lynn from Oregon. Lynn, I haven't even, for the high temperatures that I haven't seen um, 0 degrees in 10 days. Hopefully tomorrow. So that storm is past Crestview. Beautiful. Looking at satellite data right now. There's still a worrisome back here. Gonna be, if you're near or in the Phoenix Springs, it's gonna be to the west of you, near Mossy Head, moving northeast. Just Weather, are you still in here? We're going to see what they're going to do with this warning. And are they going to extend it into Georgia? Or Alabama, not Georgia. Yeah, just leave it on a drip. Uh, 20, that was 4 minutes ago. So like I said, near Mossy Head, just showing a little bit southwest of it. For sure, if it hasn't, it's producing some strong winds. For sure. Look at the echo tops. Now we're looking pretty high up in the air. But these are looking to be about 30,000 feet up. So it's just past Mossy Head. So 4 minutes ago. Four. Tallahassee radar is a pain in the butt. I'm going back and forth from satellite to radar. Let's just go over to satellite and let's keep an eye on satellite. So we're this kind of doesn't show the cities or nothing, but here's I-10. Okay. Um, and we're approaching the Phoenix Springs. That's what we're approaching. But my confidence is lowering. If this storm can't produce something. This is my next bet. So here you go. Let's see. Down here. We got, I don't know, it's quite a long line. This is what we're watching. Out here, there's likely water spouts occurring. But if this storm doesn't produce anything, we might see some of these, if they become isolated. Let's see. Now, if you're new to the channel, when I look at models, I'm not ignoring anyone. I try to stay focused. Ooh, this storm's gonna be booking. White dotted line is capping, so the likelihood of this storm happening, um, it would have to break that cap, and it looks like humidity is 100% or close to it. So this is right here is when that tornado watch expires. For basically, it's out of the tornado watch area. And I think they likely will issue or extend it. They likely will extend it further. 60 knots. Where is this? Let me pull up chat. I'm probably missing questions. I apologize if I'm missing questions. You can ask anybody in here. When I start to look at models, I kind of go quiet. Let's go to that mark at 6. One kilometer up. What's the temperature on this? All that energy in the atmosphere or in the area. Where's this at? So that's the storm. That storm that we're watching, showing on the HRRR, 1 kilometer. The question is will it be able to... When do I think the tornadoes will happen? So my gut feeling is this storm that is occurring, or that is over land right now, that's going to produce sometime. Question being, what is the hazards of it? What's the hazards that it's going to produce? They did issue a severe thunderstorm warning for Alabama, that tornado possible. This is actually moving at a pretty quick speed. Let's take a glance at that real quick. So Tallahassee National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Coffee County in southeastern Alabama, West Genova County in southeastern Alabama. 134 severe thunderstorm was located along a line extending from near Opp to 11 miles southeast of Florida, or Florala, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. If you are in, there's a lot of locations that this is an impact. So if you're in this severe severe warning polygon, you need to stay aware. This thing's booking it. Just weather. Are you in here? Just weather. Are you in here? I extended this one too. Of course. So this is the storm that this is the system I'm watching right here. That's currently going over the Phoenix Springs. A lot of energy in the atmosphere. Let's go back. Let's go. Let's look at this real quick. Oh, this convection's exploding. And we got this convection up here. And we got this. This is a map. The thing is it is... it's just tied in there. This is concerning right here. This one right here that's... Where's... Oh. There we go. gonna be right in that zone. Question is, which one? I'm not too worried about the one in Alabama. But if you're in the severe warning, you need to keep an eye out for sure. Heavy rain, strong wind. That's gonna do it right there. It's gonna do it. I think that will be the one. Let's go to GR. Tornado warning. Has tornado warning. Oh, let me switch to. Severe thunderstorm cable producing a tornado was located over Orange Springs, or 6 miles southwest of Interlaken, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. This is south of. Oh, this is. Where am I? South of Jacksonville, southwest, and north of Orlando. And there's the rotation. Just a quick spin up. Should we go look at 3D on this? Yeah. Oh, now it's. So here's kind of that inflow notch. Pulling air in. So if you're in Interlaken, you need to take shelter. You know anybody in this area, you take shelter. I would even, looks like Lunley and Palaca. You're going to be on the eastern edge of it, but I would still be a little, be weather aware of that. Let's look at. We don't have a drop of that. Wonder if there's being reports of hail in Interlaken. Inner. So let's look at the Mesoanalysis on this. Let's look at the Mesoanalysis on this beautiful. Cape. Oh. Right where it's at right now, 5,000 joules per kilogram. And then it just dies. So let's see the surface observation. It looks about 80 degrees, 80 to 87. Yeah, I think that's just a quick spin up. I don't think. Now we're getting another severe thunderstorm near Perry. It's looking to me just like a quick spin up, maybe. But treat it as a worst case scenario, so Interlaken, you need to take shelter. Flora home, I would even suggest it. You know, there's this storm. I'm not even gonna try Tallahassee, it's just gonna let me down. Why does it have to let me down? Let's go look at the storm's satellite. Um, yeah, I think that was just a spin up. Really quick spin up. If you haven't got the opportunity, make sure you hit that like button. Right where that energy is. I think that's going to be it too. Oh. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. I just want everyone to be aware. And I may not sound serious, but I'm being 100% serious. Okay. If you're in Mariana, all the way down to Blountstown, Tallahassee, even Bainbridge, going all the way over to Madison, Florida. Okay, there's a lot of energy in the atmosphere, and they just issued a mesoscale discussion saying that the tornado threat is increasing for this area. Okay, so if you're in these areas, even if you're not in the tornado watch, you're in Madison. If you're in these areas, you need to stay weather aware. 100%. I'm going to stay live through this, but before these storms get to you, please be prepared. Please. If you have friends, family, let them know that currently, within the next couple hours, Tallahassee could be seeing strong thunderstorms in the next couple hours. So right now there's no TVS on this tornado vortex signature. But what is that really long lake? This one? I don't know. Hey Sam. So it's 1:54. So at 2 o'clock I'm gonna go back looking at models. I'm a little concerned about west of Tallahassee.
FL4T donated $5. One time I saw a short, bald Florida man running around naked in the rain, singing this song.
singing a song, you say? Thank you, Flat, for the 5. Um, Thank you, Karen. Yeah, Flat, don't even get mustard in here. Or any of your other friends. I'm trying to be serious here. One of my brothers is in Florida, but he's such a... Um, well, if he's in this area, just shoot him a text, because I need to eat lunch. I need to eat lunch. Ooh. Let what go? Okay. I am going to switch this. Okay, I'm gonna go get lunch. Okay. I'm gonna go get lunch. Well, I'm gonna go make lunch. I have no idea what I'm gonna make, but be good, and I will be right back. Yeah, I'll be back. It's basically breaking into regular programming. Um, yeah, we got a tornado warning rotation, as you can see, just near Laguana Beach. Um, Tallahassee, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado, was located near Panama City Beach, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The storm is currently moving at about 60 miles per hour. And Laguana Beach, I actually I knew this was gonna happen. Right when I started lunch. I just knew it. It's alright. This is on land. Um, we have several chasers out there. Yeah, there's debris signature. Laguana Beach. Laguana Beach. This tornado, well, it was likely a water spout, and now it's on land. Um, so it may be a land spout, but I've better bet saying that this is a tornado. Laguana Beach. If you guys see any reports from Laguana Beach, West Bay, if you see any reports, this is going to be north west of Panama City Beach, straight south of Ebro, Florida, Pine Log. Um, and this is going to be moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. We have a couple other storms that just got reached out here. If you see any reports, I'm going to quickly eat. Still debris signature. There's debris signature at Panama City Beach, too. Um, could be a water spout. Okay, I'm gonna go grab my food real quick. Okay. Um, stay tuned. Okay. I'm not going. I'm gonna grab my food, and I'm still gonna be. I'm not going nowhere. Okay, we're back. Okay. I'm back. Let's see. Holy sh...
Meow, 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 meow.
Thank you, JPR. Um, Thank you, guys. Okay. So this, as you've seen one of my moderators, Crispy Critters, he knows a lot about weather. Um, as you've seen him say, cloud top shows strong mid-level shear. It's healthy and may be here for a while. Right now, it's getting taken over by, the storms around it. But he is very well. That's the truth. This is a very. This storm is. Um, oh, was it confirmed? Where is it confirmed? The Manhunter. Where are you getting that report? JPR. JPR. Where are you getting that report? No, I don't think there's a. Still radar indicated. I'll check another source. No, there hasn't been a confirmed tornado. JPR, send me it in Discordia. There's not a confirmed tornado. I just looked. Do you think the tornadoes will start to form near Jacksonville? Well, they're already there. That's a really. Yeah, Crispy. If you go back a couple, I don't know, 45 minutes, 30 minutes, there's a lot of energy. Um, so Alana, it's really really hard. I get that asked a lot. You can ask people that have been here that are here a lot. That question I get a lot. Due to me doing mainly severe weather, I get that question probably 2 times a day. And it's not a bad question, right? Because a lot of you guys don't realize that weathermen, people that you see on news, they can't predict and tell you where the tornado is going to be. It's just impossible. We can tell you that, like currently, this storm right now is in quite a bit of energy. There's a lot of energy in the atmosphere, right? The upper base. So we look at it as this could be a significant, long-lasting, long-lived tornado-produced severe thunderstorm, and it may produce a few tornadoes, um, but that's what we look at. We can't tell you that Sink Creek there's going to be something. I can tell you it's on its way to Sink Creek, and it's currently tornado warned. But there is enough energy um, to continue this all the way into about Georgia, and then it will, I would say, now, as we looked farther back, you could see that the rotation was, so this could be, it could be just as bad, but we're getting closer to the radar, and the radar beam is currently at about 970 feet. So that's what we're looking at right now. Again, I-10 between Cottondale and Chattahoochee. I can't even pronounce it. Produce it. Um, you're going to be likely getting some strong winds. So the National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued another severe thunderstorm warning for Jackson County in the Panhandle of Florida, Northern Gulf County, Northern Gulf County in the Panhandle of Florida, Bay County in the Panhandle of Florida, Cullen County in the Panhandle of Florida, Eastern Holmes County in the Panhandle of Florida, Western Liberty County in Big Bend of Florida, Washington County in the Panhandle of Florida. Till 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 3:15 Central Standard Time. At 3:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located along a line extending from 8 miles west of Graceville to near Panhandle Air Force Base, moving east at 50 miles per hour. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is radar indicated. Locations impacted include Panama City, Lynn, Haven, Callaway, Vernon, Bonifay, Blountstown, Marana, Chipley, Graceville, Springfield, Highland, Park, Stone Mill. This is in the tornado watch, and the tornado watch currently remains in effect. That currently, right now, remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Yes, they did issue another tornado watch. I was focused more on this one. You're at the airbase. Isn't that this one? Which one's the airbase? Okay, they just issued another severe thunderstorm warning. This is on the I-75 and north of I-10. This is tornado possible. We can switch on over to so Tallahassee is pretty busy today. So Tallahassee National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County and Big Bend of Florida, Southern Cook County and South Central Georgia, South Central Barron County and South Central Georgia, Lanier County and South Central Georgia, Laurens County in South Central Georgia, Central Brooks County in South Central Georgia, till 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 3:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located along a line extending from 10 miles southwest of Madison and to near Doling Park to 10 miles southeast of Mayo, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is in the tornado watch area, and this tornado watch is the one that we were going to talk about, and this remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This severe thunderstorm warning does have tornado possible, and we'll discuss this tornado warning or tornado watch. National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center has issued a tornado watch for portions of North Florida, southern Georgia, and the coastal waters, effective this Monday afternoon and evening from 3 p.m. until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Few tornadoes and a couple intense tornadoes possible. Scattered damaging winds likely with isolated significant gusts to 75 miles possible. Isolated large hail events to 1.5 inches in diameter possible. Multiple rounds of severe thunderstorms are possible. One regime should emanate northeast across North Florida with primary risk for a couple tornadoes and locally damaging winds. Second should spread east-northeast from southeast Alabama and the Florida Panhandle with a few tornadoes and damaging wind as the primary hazard. Reminder, tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Just a little update. This is the 8th tornado watch issued for 2021. We can go back over to this storm. How far north will the instability go? Well, I'm going to be honest with you, it's not going to get any further than Atlanta. Worst case scenario, I think if this still continues, they might issue another tornado watch, but that's going to be late in the night. So if you're in any of these areas, this is kind of the timing of the storm. Tornado warning has been expired. We're gonna keep keep a good eye on this one for while this pushes through. You're probably dealing with a lot of wind. Let's look at hail. Hail possibility on I-10 near Caryville, just east. And now it's shifted south of Graceville. And you got hail indicators. Yeah, so the storm's gonna weaken because there's not. Here, let's go back to good old. So, as you see, this energy is kind of gonna stay in the part where it's at right now, where we're dealing with severe weather. As you've seen, Crispy said, there's quite a bit of energy in that area. As it moves to the northeast, it kind of loses its. We still have a little bit of energy in the southern part of Georgia, but we've seen still have that hatched risk for 829,000 people. Kind of what we're getting into right now. Um, like I said at the beginning of the stream, high-profile vehicles. This is not fun for high-profile vehicles. So there was not a confirmed tornado. So let's try to because I know some people get worked up and like to be excited and I don't want any false information being posted. And if so, you will be timed out. Let's look at satellite. Oh, these storms. Yeah, these storms are starting to show some. So let's look at this. This is near Lake City, Florida. There's convection up here, down here, and then this is what we're going to be taking a glance at. So Jacksonville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Gilchrist County in northern Florida, southwestern Columbia County in northern Florida, southeastern Swan County in northern Florida at 3:36. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles south of O'Brien or 13 miles northwest of Bell, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. O'Brien's going to be there approximately at 3:55 Eastern Standard Time. Columbia around 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're in this polygon area, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. I don't know if you've seen big trucks think, "Oh, I'm big enough to go through this. I should be okay." Incident last year down in down in Louisiana, or not Louisiana, Mississippi. A big truck, big 4x4 truck, or a pickup. Some people call it pickups, and it was lifted. 2 inches of rain. There was about just under like the roadways were filling up, right? And he thought he could make it through, and the guy lost his life. So no vehicle is safe in a roadway. They issued another warning. They must have slowed down on him or something. And southeastern Lafayette County and Big Bend of Florida. Wait, that one was issued by Tallahassee. The other one was Jacksonville? That's why. But flooding is not a joke. Now, just a little puddle of water, you can drive through, right? Common sense. But when you get a roadway that's covered in water, this was like 2.5, 3 inches, and the guy lost his life because the truck got overturned by the water. And this is 2.5 inches of water, and this guy is driving a big truck. I think I think the water. I think he probably what's it called? Glided across it wrong and went into the ditch. I don't know. I seen pictures of it, but sad deal. don't drown. There's many ways around flooded areas. Tornado warning. Another tornado warning. This is gonna hang in there. This is gonna be this is gonna be the storms to probably produce the first confirmed tornado. Well, so if you're in tornado warning polygon, definitely when we definitely have 3 tornado warnings, I can't get to them ASAP. If you're in a tornado warning, I haven't promoted this for a while. Download Storm Shield, the free app on your phone. It will let you know when there's any warning. And it will let you know sometimes before it even comes up on these radars. Right when the National Weather Service issue them, it pops up. So download Storm Shield. The links are in my description. Uh, yeah, hydroplane. Yeah, that's right, Crispy. And hey, you guys can email them and yeah, maybe say James Weatherman's. No, I love Storm Shield. I really highly suggest it for anybody. I don't care if you live in Southern California or you live in Northern Maine. Uh, Storm Shield is the app, and it's loud. Like I've been getting wind chill advisories, and they issue like my latest one was at 12:04. Wind chill advisory for home is in effect. maybe a little bit. Maybe. I talked to a guy that I talked to a guy that did programming for Storm Shield, and he said they don't really sponsor anybody because there's really nothing. Just promoting them. We are coming up on the anniversary of the Easter outbreak. I have a video. I have a video where this storm. Well, you have debris drop on Round Lake. I have a video of talking to a survivor on the Easter outbreak. I might play that. Maybe call him up. Maybe give him a ring and see how he's doing. Well, this is a debris drop. We can't confirm it's a signature of debris. It's producing over 2-inch size hail. So if you're in a polygon of a tornado warning, seek shelter, get to a safe space. If you're in a vehicle, find the Easter outbreak from last year. It was 2 days. If you go back into my videos, I was talking to a guy, his house was completely destroyed, and he had a tornado safety shelter. Branford? Which one are we looking at? Oh, yeah. Let's see. Let's take a glance. Are you talking about this? Just weather. Are you available to talk? Oh, we have reports of power lines down on west end of Panama City Beach. So possible tornado near Golf Resort Beach. Uh, sure, I'll give you a ring. I think. Are you gonna answer? What storm are we looking at? This is just a mess. This is a complete mess. Cross City Beach. Oh, right here. Oh, yeah. So that could be a debris signature right there. Uh, if you're in this polygon, if you're in Lake City, Wellborn, Florida, Columbia, Florida, you know anybody in Florida that's in this area, send them a text. They may not be aware. Cross City Airport? We're way bound. What radar site? Oh, this one? Cross City's way down here. If you're anywhere in this, or you know anybody, give them a ring. Even Lake City, 5 points. You're not in the tornado warning, but this storm is moving in your direction. Take shelter. Let your friends and family, or if you have a neighbor that went on vacation. Let's see. What program are you using right now? Ooh, this got a hook. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that inflow notch. Ooh. That is not. So, choking off a storm. If this kind of closed in, um, currently this is like a hook, and it's letting moisture. Huh. I'm gonna keep a good eye on this one. Oh my. Yeah, no, but there was debris signature. 100%. Go back. No, that could have been just radar messing. Two-inch size hail. Um, so is this connected? Let's go look at satellite real quick. Oh yeah. So here, let me switch it over to satellite again. Let's see. So this is what we're looking at. This is what we're watching. And it kind of convection bursts were right at this time. There's convection burst over here. You got tons of them exploding over there. Now, as this stays isolated, if this can stay isolated, um, I could see something producing. What's the echo tops on that thing? If it's dropping 2-inch size hail, um, dude, it's so hard to tell because it's so far away from radar. So Lake City, 38 minutes. I would say in the next 30 minutes, this will be in Lake City. Big question is this is quite a way, quite a distance from the radar. but is likely producing up to 2-inch size hail. And it's still got quite a decent. Oh yeah, I was gonna look at the. I might keep an eye on satellite. That's what I'm gonna keep an eye on. This is coming up to the I-75, I-10 kind of intersection. Lake City, you're not in a tornado warning right now. Um, you're not in a tornado warning, but you need to prepare yourself, get to a safe place. No, Tallahassee would be too far away. If you haven't, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. I was gonna do a giveaway at 5,000 subs. Now I switched it to 3,000. Once we get to 3,000 subs, I'll do another giveaway. Last giveaway um, was a weather station. Well, they just issued a TVS. Wowzers. Wow. TVS of 7. What are you getting, Crispy? This one might be the one that goes confirmed. Or 2.25. Yeah, Lake City needs to prepare. We get into rural areas, so that's positive. Hey, Phyllis. Hey, if I haven't said hi to you guys, just say hey in the chat, and if I have said hi, I'll say hi again. I love saying hi to you guys. Should I don't know if I can quite say that's a debris signature. That could be off of. I don't know. Let's go look at this 3D again. No, would you that? I don't think so. I just don't think so. Wouldn't surprise me if yeah. Ooh. Ah. That is not cutting off. That's just gonna get stronger and stronger. 100%. So this may stay to the west of Lake City, but this may stay to the west of Lake City. 5 points. Even if you're in Lake City, you need to take shelter. 5 points. Winfield, you need to take shelter. White Springs, you need to take shelter. If you're in rural areas, you need to take shelter. They haven't issued a tornado warning yet, but it will be coming. Probably in a matter of 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes. They'll be issuing a tornado warning that's going to include White Springs, Winfield, 5 points, Lake City. I just updated the tornado warning. Tornado and golf ball size hail. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Columbia or 9 miles north of Icetungney Springs, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Lake City, this will be near Lake City in 20 minutes. Wellborn at 4:15. If you are in this storm is surrounded by heavy rainfall, so you're not going to be able to see this unless you're in Columbia. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. This I'm including Lake City. This will be extended. Confirmed tornado where? I would believe if this is confirmed. 100%. I think it's gonna stay west of Lake. Lake City is for sure going to get RFD. 100%. Worst case scenario, they'll get direct, but at least they're going to get RFD. 100%. This thing... Somebody said confirmed. Okay, Jay. Now, watch yourself. No, I don't got... Lakes... You actually might be right, Crispy. Lake City is a... Oh my goodness. Oh my... Well, right now, all we can look at... Lake City... This is gonna... For sure, this is gonna be a mess. There is no one? You're right, there is no one. Crispy, look at radar scope. I can't say this confirmed, but where's this other tornado warning? Okay, we're focusing on this one right now. Yeah, this one right now is to... Yep, they extended it. This dangerous storm will be near Lake City at 4:25, so 15 minutes. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Columbia, or 7 miles southwest of Lake City, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Tornado and half dollar size hail. This is moving. There's two separate spots of rotation. Oh, can you say that's a CC drop? Yeah, most of them are. Well, that just may be a... Yeah, National Weather Service only said it's radar indicated. Let's look at 3D real quick. Still got that notch. No, it's... I tell you, there's probably a pretty wall cloud over here. This is gonna be the RFD right here. Um, we still got that kind of hook, but it looks like it's gonna stay west, well, on the western part of Lake City. Likely getting hit with hail, probably pretty large hail. And we would be able to see a significant debris signature um, if it was on the ground, though. That'd be a heck of a CC drop. And it would be... Oh, there's probably a heck of a wall cloud. There's a TVS on it. The base is 4,000 feet. Oh, still a pretty decent hail core on that thing. How can that be? Well, if there's no CC drop... Oh? Uh... On my scale, that's a CC drop. we have we do have a we do have somebody headed north. Well, that would be that's 62. Huh. You would think. Yeah, that's what we're looking at, JPR. That and they're using a radar scope image. That is what we are looking at. Oh no, that's this one. Oh, nothing over here, man. No. Uh, yeah, from the wind, crispy. Well, they can't. They don't know if it was wind or So nope. This is just a very large inflow botch, basically. Well, if any of you guys are on the beach, yeah, I'm surprised. Surprised the tornado warning's like not up here. Hmm. See if they. We officially broke a record where I live. I might as well just... Okay, come on, load. No, he's not. Hey. Okay. Crispy. Crispy. Oh, I had nobody on that storm. Are you watching the storm in St. John's County? Yeah. But I think it broke apart. I don't know why they popped up at TBS though. Tornado warning in Georgia. We gotta get another. Yeah, in St. John's near St. Augustine. It's gonna be just west of College Park. If you're in College Park, St. Augustine, Villanelle Beach, Valano Beach. You know anybody that's on vacation or anything? Chris, send them to me at my Weatherman email, James the Weatherman, gmail.com. Because I particularly don't watch the Weather Channel. Oh. Yeah, I might want to go look at these, huh? Something going down. Like I said, if you're in a tornado warning, seek shelter immediately. Um, Georgia, the current storm we're looking at is Colquitt, north of Colquitt. Some decent rotation. This Colquitt, Putney, Albany, Leesburg. This is all in Georgia. Please seek shelter. For the one in the southern part, Pelham, Camilla, Meigs, and Sail City, you need to prepare yourself to seek shelter as soon as possible. Colquitt, you're in Colquitt. I hope you're in shelter. It's north of you, but um, you're kind of just to the south of it. There's tornado warnings all over the place. It's a mess. This Hope everybody's having a good day. We have a TVS marker on the storm, the northern storm in Georgia. Threshold of a 9.6. Yeah, this is this is not. This strong rotation. We might. St. Augustine. Yeah, let me know. Let me know, Crispy. This one. Hey, the guy that's in Colquitt. Debris signature. This is confirmed. Right here. Debris signature. They haven't confirmed it yet, but this is on the ground. This is near Damascus, Georgia, heading towards Milford. This is on the ground, debris signature. This will likely be the first confirmed tornado today. JP, how is it windy? You should be out of the rain by now, or getting close to it. We have threshold 9.2. And this is likely on the ground. Yeah, you're right on the tail end of it. Tornado is observed. It is confirmed. This is the first confirmed tornado today. First confirmed tornado today. This is confirmed in Baker, Cowan County. Confirmed tornado was located 8 miles south of Arlington. This is in Georgia. Or 10 miles north of Colquitt, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Damaging tornado. This tornado will remain over rural areas. But if you happen to be in this area, this is gonna remain over rural areas. I think probably debris signature. There's a quite large debris signature. We're just gonna take a quick glance at this, and we're gonna see how high the debris is. Looks like it's being lofted about 12,000 feet up. 12,000 feet up. but this is a very large tornado. Um, right now, there's no threat. Well, rural areas currently. Um, let me. Come on. Kidding me? This is the first confirmed tornado. They just issued a new warning. Confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 7 miles southeast of Arlington, or 12 miles north of Colquitt, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. This is a PDS. Morgan, Leary around 4:55. Morgan and Leary, 4:55. If you know anybody in Morgan or Leary, 4:55. Very large tornado. You could even Milford. Anybody in this area, take shelter. This is a PDS, particular dangerous situation. Very, very large debris signature. Very large. This is a PDS tornado. You can see that hook. Very, very large tornado. It is wrapped in rain, wrapped in precip. Very large tornado. If you know anybody in these areas, take a glance at debris. How? Oh, what's the? Looks like about 15 to 17,000 feet. I don't even know if anybody's out there. Oh yeah, we have one. Winds right now are about 98 miles per hour. Hey, Sassy. PDS is particularly dangerous situation. It has dropped. Now it's at about 70 miles per hour. Could be going into a recycling stage. Very well could be. Milford, you're a small town, but you're likely gonna get some for sure RFD. Colquitt, you probably got RFD. El Model, you're gonna get RFD. Leary, this likely is gonna take a direct hit. It's being choked. Wait, it's being choked. Nah, it's being choked. It just got choked off. So that is that was now if Milford's probably getting strong RFD right now. Yeah, it looked like this part of the storm became outflow dominant, and yeah, so much for still, if you're in these warnings, please take shelter. This is just I am just looking at radar. I am not looking at the ground. So we still do have a CC drop, but that could be debris just flying in the air. But it legitimately choked. Legit. Crispy, did you see that big debris signature over at the one in Georgia? It's a PDS tornado. Well, right now it's still a PDS, but um, it got choked. Yeah, it went down to a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. Though it's not confirmed anymore. It's seriously got choked. Like, bad. You know, it must have hit but it legit got choked. That is the done deal of that one. I don't even know if it's in a recycle. Um, yeah, looks like trees snapped, debris flying across highway after very strong winds, very heavy rain, stalled car. I wouldn't head up there right now because probably flooded. But yeah, it's choked. That one's done. Um, if you know anybody in those areas, you can check up on them. But let's check over at the St. Augustine one. Yeah, that's off the coast. Oh, so we now we can look at. Oh, that's a off TVS. Yeah, it's done. Oh, so yeah, there's still a CC drop on it, and that was quick, very quick. JP, if you head up there, are you in the Discord? We're gonna take a quick glance. That was a very quick, extremely. See how fast that jumped too, and then it got choked off. I'm gonna see all the spotter reports. Most of them are all I'm actually kind of glad this choked out and it didn't make its way to Albany. I'm actually glad. Yeah, the storm reports right now are um, they're all snow reports. Okay, so those, okay. Yeah, there's this. It's done. That one's done. I don't see. I don't. Let me go look at the Mesoanalysis. I don't see that one. posing any more of a threat. Yeah, it's 50 degrees. Two hours ago. Yeah, it's really cool. So I can show you a quick glance at. Was there a tornado warning north of Lake City? Yeah, that is at the. I don't know how much warmer it would be further. Um, but yeah, that storm is done. So now we're looking at this one. If you get any pictures, and you're in the Discord, you can post them in the Discord. Um, any pictures. If you don't have my Discord, you can send it to jamestheweatherman@gmail.com. And just tell me the source you got it from, like Twitter. Um, wow, they're telling us up here that we need um, the Southwest Power Pole declared an energy emergency alert level 3. Directed its members utility to implement controlled interruptions of service to prevent further power outage. Um, yeah, that's of Lake City. Hail. Um, Fountain, Florida. It just looks like a lowering of a cloud. It's kind of, you can't diminish that with trees there and the building there. Like, you'd be surprised how many reports you get of those. I'm sure there was a lot. Um, yeah, I believe it. I'm going to do a quick look at things. I don't think anyone was up there to go up there and take damage pictures. Was there damage up here? Yeah, there was. Sure, fields were ripped up. I heard that there's a few houses that may have got damaged. So we're looking at now we're looking at this one. Oh, well, we had one confirmed tornado. No, you can't say that. Don't even talk about that. It takes days for them to find out what the rating is. No, just don't even talk about it. No need to talk about it. Yeah, it takes days for them to report on that. And the National Weather Service won't be out there for at least the earliest tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. They might go out late tonight, but I would say the earliest is tomorrow morning. Yeah, I've noticed that. I was taking a glance at satellite, and there's a few storms that are in the Gulf of Mexico. Um, yeah, and I don't even. It'd be coming out of. It'd probably be coming out of Albany or Tallahassee. And we may have had a quick spin up here. Um, Reports of a few mobile homes. But it is not confirmed. Not confirmed. Um, where this tornado warning is. Did not confirm a tornado. Let's go back over to oh, oh, why I'm so quiet right now is because I'm looking over models. Um, Checking. Still concerned a little bit about um, over here in this area. So got quite a bit of energy. We might, if this storm can get, if it continues to go and it doesn't hit a cool cycle, it might produce something in the Georgia area. But as of right now, I'm not seeing too much. Yeah, burying a lot of snow. Yeah, it's really having a tough time. Looking 850 millibar temperature is at, let's do 15. That's below 60 degrees. Yeah, Crispy, I just got an alert saying that because our energy electric field um, goes from north to south, so everybody in Louisiana, Missouri, um, parts of Kansas, Iowa, they're all in the same energy. So we just were informed that there's an energy emergency. I don't know, I'll read it to you real quick. Energy emergency alert moved to level 3 for central US. Um, they want us to conserve energy so it can, I guess, help southern part. Well, you're talking to people. You're talking to people up in the Dakotas that wind chill. It's still currently like 40 below, right? So sure, turn off your heater, turn off um for people that are in the 20s and 30s. Common sense, you just need to close your door and don't open your fridge and chill out. But you turning off your heater when it's 40 below zero outside, um, like I turned off my heater. Well, I turned it down last night because I don't like the warmth. Um, I woke up and it was like 64 degrees in my room. Yeah, I'm up near. I'm more further north than Duluth. No, but they want us to conserve energy. Electronics don't do much. My cell phone charger takes nothing. Yeah, 66. Yeah, that's comfortable. Um, it's finally gone above zero in 9 days. Today, the high is finally. I think today we finally reached 1 degree above zero. So, but I won't. I won't get into. I won't get into. Yeah, you're exactly right, Morgan. And up here, we're taking the hit for people in the South because our power grid is part of them, part of theirs. So I'm gonna be honest right now. Um, there's no tornado warnings. There was an injury. Um, reported from emergency managers in Early County of significant damage to one double-wide mobile home and one single-family home near Demisk. One injury reported, time estimated based on radar. So, one double-wide mobile home and one single-family home was damaged, significantly damaged. Um, and there was one injury from a tornado that started and it went to PDS within 5 minutes. But emergency managers reported there was one double wide and one single family home significantly damaged. So we're kind of I just pulled up Blakely Fire. Oh, this channel. Now, yeah, I think it's a wrap. So, I do appreciate everybody tuning in. We haven't done a stream in a while, so I appreciate every one of you. Join the Discord. I already said that the report from emergency management came in. One significant damage to one double-wide mobile home and one single-family home near Damascus. Right. So that is our one confirmed tornado. That was a PDS tornado. There may have been several spin-ups elsewhere. But I hope everybody Thank you, Dom. I do really appreciate it. Um, you're correct, Morgan. If you haven't subscribed, please, I suggest you to subscribe. Um, when we get to 3,000, I'm doing another giveaway. And I hope everybody has a good rest of their day. And I hope everybody stays safe and healthy. And much love. I am James the Weatherman. Stay weather aware.